Let us now solve these equations simultaneously using the elimination method. Feel free to pause the video and try this yourself. Then you can compare your solution with the answer we get at the end of this video. Solution. First, we write the equation. So we have 3x minus 2y equals 7. And that is our equation 1. And then we have 2x plus y equals 7. And that is equation 2. Now I will eliminate x. To eliminate x, I will multiply equation 1 by the coefficient of x in equation 2, which is 2, and multiply equation 2 by the coefficient of x in equation 1, which is 3. Therefore, I will be having 2 multiplied by 3x minus 2y equals 7. And then I would have 3 multiplied by 2x plus y equals 7. Now let's see what this would give us. So 2 multiplied by 3x would give us 6x. And 2 multiplied by minus 2y will give us minus 4y equals, and then 2 multiplied by 7 will give us 14. This is now our new equation 3. Now for equation 4, let's see what we get. 3 multiplied by 2x gives us 6x. 3 multiplied by y will give us plus 3y equals, now 3 multiplied by 7 would give us 21. And this is our equation 4. Now, we subtract equation 4 from equation 3. Meaning I have 6x minus 4y equals 14 minus 6x plus 3y equals 21. Now let's see what this will give us. 6x minus 6x gives us 0. Minus 4y minus plus 3y. In this case, minus multiplied by plus will give us minus. So we have it as minus 4y minus 3y. And that becomes minus 7y equals, now 14 minus 21 will give us minus 7. Now, from here we can then say minus 7y equals minus 7. We have negative sign on both sides, so we multiply both sides. Multiply both sides by minus 1 in order to get a positive y. So we have minus 1 times minus 7y equals minus 1 times minus 7. And here we will see that we have minus times minus becoming plus, and 1 times 7 will give us 7y equals minus 1 multiplied by minus 7 gives us 7. Now divide both sides by 7, and then our y equals 1. Now, substitute y equals 1. Y equals 1 into equation 2. So that is in my equation 2. Anywhere I find y, I will replace it with the value of y, which is 1. Now, equation 2 states that 2x plus y, and y is 1, equals 7. Therefore, our 2x equals 7, plus 1 crossing the equality sign becomes minus 1. Hence, 2x equals 6. And when we divide both sides by 2, x equals 6 divided by 2, we get 3. Therefore, x is 3 and y is 1. You can then check it with equation 1 to see if it is accurate. So check equation 1. On the left hand side of equation 1, we have 3 into x, and the value of x is 3, minus 2 into y, and the value of y is 1. This would give us, now 3 times 3, that is 9, minus 2 times 1, that's 2. And we can now say 9 minus 2 equals 7, which is consistent with our right hand side. Hence, it is correct. And that is the solution to the problem. Thank you.